In this video, I will show you how to enable two-step verification in Gusto. First, open your browser, go to app.gusto.com and log into your account. At the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down until you find two-step verification. This is where you can add an extra layer of security to your account. From here, you will see a few options. Choose the method you prefer, then click Setup. For example, if you pick the Authenticator app, a QR code will appear. Simply scan that with your app, then enter the 6-digit code you receive. Once you confirm the code, two-step verification will be enabled. You will see a confirmation on the screen and just click Done to finish. Now your Gusto account is much more secure with two-step verification turned on. And that's how to enable two-step verification in Gusto.